Okay, Senator Kawu Sumela, then thereafter I'll move to this side.
Mr. President, my dear distinguished senators of the Federal Republic.
You have 2 minutes.
I am Suleiman Abdurrahman Kawu Sumaila, representing Kano South Senatorial District. Mr. President, I am aligning myself with our last speaker, Senator Abdul Ahmed Ningi. Although I believe with your submission, we have already doing something on constituency project, more especially in our last previous assembly starting from 2003, and it became prominent in 2007 under the leadership of our President David Mark and Speaker Bonkole. In our leadership, when we introduced zonal intervention to attend the critical sectors of the economy, where we agree that a certain amount will be allocated on zonal basis, where senators and members of the House will oversight the implementation of that critical project. Mr. President, we need this bill, and actually, more especially, the current system which we are operating, constituency project or zonal intervention, we need to look into two critical issues: community participation and funding. Community participation. I am happy with part of the submission of the sponsor of this bill, where he insists that we must connect the project with the community. Let the community own the project. Let the community identify their need together with the member, and they will take the ownership of the project. Then funding. If we have this kind of law on the ground, it will attend the huge gap of abandoning constituency project all over Nigeria. In our own constituency.
You have 1 second.
Mr. President, I think we need to support this bill because it comes with so many innovations which will help us in accountability, transparency, consistency, and continuity in the implementation of constituency projects through community participation. I so submit.
Thank you very much, Senator Nasir Sayangundara.